Hey guys, so I just got off of work. It's been about 2 weeks since I dropped off the Exocet. I'm gonna go and drop off some stuff, so like some lights and license plate light and a bunch of other stuff that I need to get installed on the car. So I'm headed over there right now, and I'll show you guys where we're at 2 weeks later on the car. So today is Tuesday, and now I'm just up here. I'm going to show you what I got in today and some of the packages that came in yesterday. So I just got in these APR mirrors. Very, very light carbon fiber mirrors. Both the left and the right. There we go. I also got the driver's side harness. We'll see about putting that in. Still got to order the passenger side. So here's the car as of now. All the suspension's been taken apart, cleaned, and pressure washed, and then repainted, spray painted for right now, because I'm probably going to go tubular later. I've mocked up the radiator. Going to have a radiator in on Thursday. Got some new brackets sitting over there to help bring that radiator up a little bit, about 3 inches, so I got more room in the front up underneath for the rear wing to be mounted. Also going through, got the new brake lines in. There's going to be a new clutch line in tomorrow. We were just doing a little bit of mock-up and putting the seat in, a seat in to test fit and see where I like the mirrors at. So I'm just going to go right there along with the tubes. Got the steering wheel in there. Then we were just looking at putting in the reverse light and the license plate lights. And as for talking about the license plate lights and the reverse light, I'll show you what I got. So blinker, I know it's a little ugly right now, but it'll be changed later. Here are the license plate lights. They're actually bolts that bolt in for the license plate, and then you have an LED light. And I went with a rock light for trucks for the reverse light. And then there's my radiator brackets. Headlights bracket was all done, but came across a little bit of an issue. There's no way to actually twist them, so that if I were to mock up this, and with the tube, and I'm sitting there looking straight, if I have it mounted like this, how I have this bracket, it would actually be cockeyed this way at 15 degrees facing towards the driver's side, and vice versa for the other side. So I'm going to go take that home. So that's going to do it for tonight. I'll probably have another little video up tomorrow to see what else came in and show a little bit more progress. If Chris gives me permission to come on in tomorrow and keep him away from his girlfriend. But so in the link in the description, I am going to post up all the prices of what it's costing me so far to do where I'm at right now. Please subscribe, please like, and follow along for the next video. Thank you very much, and see you guys later.